Big Champ Dog, Big Dog Plate, we in the building, baby, look. So I got 2 T-bone steak and cheese sandwiches, all right? I put them on a couple hoagie rolls. I crack an egg on one of them. You know what I mean? Something different, something new, all right? And if you like to see something different, something new, definitely check out my cooking channel, all right? Big Dog Kitchen, all right? So something new, something creative I'm working on, and it's gonna be entertaining, and I'm gonna be cooking a lot of different things you probably haven't seen before, or a lot of things you probably have. But you know, come over and support and say hello, and definitely don't be a stranger, you feel me? All right, so I got 2 hoagies. All right, well, they're on hoagie rolls, they're not hoagies, but the T-bone steak and cheese. I got the peppers, onions. All right, if you want to see the whole layout, the whole get out, the whole recipe, go over there and check me out on Big Dog Kitchen, man. All right, so got both of these. I got just a handful of chips. Got me a water. Got me a beer. You feel me? And we're gonna get it cracking, man. You know. So I don't know what time I'm going for, but I just wanted to eat something good. I wanted to eat something that reminded me of me, you feel me? So I want to eat some good food, man. And you know, I like to get in the kitchen myself, so we're gonna get it started, all right? Comment below how fast you think I can get through this. And if you want to make it yourself or do it yourself, you know, more power to you, man. Much love to you, you feel me? So we're gonna get this started. 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Woo! Woo! Now that's what I call a big dog breakfast. You feel what I'm talking about? Oh boy. Damn. Hit your boy with a like. Definitely subscribe to see more content. And hit that bell because you know I'm dog walking through these challenges. I'm gonna keep, making different things, different content, being creative. I want you to check out Big Dog Kitchen. It's gonna go live. All right, it's gonna be a lot of beer drinking and just having fun over there as well. If you like to see recipes and stuff. So, man, that was a good meal, man. If you try this, even if you don't do it on camera, man, let me know how you felt about it. Let me know, how you feel. I feel good. I had, good rush, a good beer. So anyway, we about to get this going on. I'm about to do my thing. I got more things to do, more things to hustle. But much love to all y'all. And we're going to keep it going, you know what I mean?